Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering and preparing the hardware. Charge Raveneye Rs2 to at least 50%, update firmware if available, and mount the unit securely. Once done, attach the USB-C cable between Rs2 and your camera and enable camera USB control so the device can talk to the camera. Make sure your gimbal is powered and balanced to avoid motion during pairing. These initial steps establish power, physical connection, and control access before any wireless setup begins. You now handle wireless pairing and app configuration. Put Raveneye Rs2 into pairing mode and open the DJI video transmission app on your phone or controller. Next, connect your phone to the Rs2 Wi-Fi SSID using the displayed password or scan the QR code for faster pairing. Once connected, the app will detect the camera feed, confirm camera control permissions, and select your preferred video resolution and latency profile. Also, calibrate the on-screen feed and set exposure pass-through so controls reflect the camera's settings. You finish by validating the whole system. Confirm a stable live feed, test record and stop from the app, and verify focus and aperture commands work remotely. Once satisfied, secure mounts, save a profile for quick recall, and enable any fail-safe or reconnection options to prevent interruptions. If the feed fails, try a quick troubleshooting sequence. Reboot Raveneye Rs2, ensure the camera's USB mode is set to remote control. Replace the USB cable and repair the Wi-Fi. These steps usually resolve common connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.